Hi, it's Mrs. Labar again, and I've got a really fast video on how to help you log into Naviance if it's been a while or if you've forgotten or you're having trouble. So easiest way to go is from the Blue Valley West web page. All right, and I promise you this is the hardest part. If you look down at the bottom corner, it says quick links. If you hover over quick links, this red ribbon pops up. Now, here's the tricky part. If you go away from it, it goes away. So you got to kind of navigate that way. So you go up and over, and the very last thing in that middle column says Naviance. Click that. Takes you right to our Naviance login page. So you can see the Blue Valley West Jaguar right there. And up here in the username email spot, don't use your email, just your school username. All right, my demo student account is a little bit different. You're going to use your school username in this spot. And then your password is going to be your student ID. And so you'll enter that in, and then you log in. And there you go. You're logged into Naviance. You're ready to go and do whatever you need to do to search for colleges, save your 4-year plan, update, look at different careers. Lots of really cool tools in here.